here we are in the second round.
In our last video, we covered new interior paint, curb appeal, and smart home technology to give your home an added boost to increase your home's value. Let's take a look at the rest of the list. Here we go. New lighting. Good lighting is crucial to showcasing your home's features, especially if your home doesn't have a lot of natural light. Upgrading your lighting is easy and inexpensive, and it can make even small rooms feel larger. Consider these steps.
Take my pen. Write this down.
Adding new pendants in the kitchen. Sprucing up the decor with window treatments. Let's move on to small bathroom updates. You don't need to rip out tile or add all new fixtures to give your bathroom a facelift. In fact, 27% of sellers make improvements to the bathroom before selling, and they can be simple fixes such as replacing the vanity lights for a more updated look, recaulking or reglazing the tub instead of buying a new replacement, upgrading fixtures with a spa ambiance in mind, like putting in a rain shower head. Zillow research found that listings that included the keyword spa inspired contributed to a 1.8% price premium. Can you guess the last one? It rhymes with door. If you guessed flooring, then you got it right.
It's a good one.
Tidying up your flooring is another common task taken on by 24% of sellers. So what does that look like? A few examples are deep cleaning your carpets wall to wall, buffing out or refinishing hardwoods, especially if there are visible scratches or stains. Lastly, if your flooring needs replacement, consider herringbone parquet flooring, which research found could add a 5% premium on the sale price. In my next video, I will be discussing renovations that won't add value to your home in most markets. As always, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.